I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this dress. So basically, first you need to go here. Go to the booth and color view. I have the color saved here. It's this one. It's 5D4B3D. 5.4 dot. Okay? You got it, guys? I'm gonna put the hash code down there in the section where you can see. And for hair, okay, sorry, that was wrong. Okay, and now I'm gonna tell you which hair I'm wearing, which I have this bang right down here, this one. And you should color it to a palette. Okay, this two is the hair combination. I'm gonna use this is 7C6552. And for the main hair is go to females. And here I have a star. So like good palette. I'm gonna use this and this. Whoopsies. No, like this and here. And I have another hair, which is this hair. And I'm gonna do this as well, because this is my hair combination. And this, like this color, and this color. Oh, I forgot to tell you. This is 7C6552. And from palette here, do it as FFD089. And I have, wait, let me find this here real quick. Oh, here I started at the top. You go like this, and for the second, here. And now we're done with the hair combination. Okay, here I will call it like messy hair with bangs. And if you don't have bangs, it's just the same. Oh, and with this, oh, I just got kicked out. So I will prefer you wearing the messy hair with bangs. Yes, that is like all brown, and this is not all brown. Okay. And I will go to my face. My face is just normal. It does not have custom makeup, because someone will have no custom makeup. Okay, I will cut this face is next to this one. And I'm gonna go and for my pants, I'm going here to grab this baggy jeans and then color it with this. Oops, sorry. No, this, yeah. And for the rest of the clothes, it's right here at this corner. Right this corner. So I have this dress, this dress, this dress, and this dress. And oh, I forgot, the pants needs to lower it, so it's gonna be white kilo rice, so that you have like this, your tummy so out. And you're gonna use this 7F7F45, which is I forgot to add it on the palette. So when I'm done, you're gonna color it all of your clothes this color. And then just color it. No need to be scared. Okay, so now, what do you guys think? I think we should have this. Wait, never mind. Never mind, never mind, never mind. I'm gonna color it like this. It's just gonna be like a normal. You know? Maybe the face is not as the one that I picked because I don't know which one. I just think that this one fits. Okay, and you're going to this head session and grab this head and you're just gonna like position it and why it's gonna like go up a little bit and like back a little bit. Just your favorite. And I'm gonna go to palette and color it in this color. And you're almost done. You forgot and forgot getting one thing, which is the book. Wait, no. Where is it? Where is it? I thought it was G. Oh. Now for this, you don't need to color it because it's already matching the vibe. So, and you're gonna grab this boot and color the color that you want. So I'm gonna be this color. I'm gonna match this my suit. Maybe it's the suit and pants is matching. And there you go. You have the clothing right now. Okay, so I'm just checking if I got the right outfit because I think it's like a bit different. But now your outfit is done. You can have fun with it by role playing it. And you can save it. You can save it down. And if you need the color, it's down there. So I got this. The pants, the hair, the bread, and thanks love. I'm gonna capture it and put it down there. Okay? So see you next time guys. Bye!